Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hera English School Online Teaching Standard 10th. Today inshallah in English subject we are going to see lesson 3.5 Unbeatable Super Mom Mary Kom. Now, Mary Kom, she was a lady who won in the Olympic for Indian boxing. Okay, we are going to see some of the inside story of her life in this lesson. Now, her complete name was Chungnejang Mary Kom. She was born on 24th of November 1982. Better known as Mary Kom, is an Olympic Indian boxer residing from Kom tribe in Manipur. She is 5 times world amateur boxing champion and the only woman boxer who has won a medal in each one of the 6 world champions. Okay. Now the nickname given to her is also Magnificent Mary. She is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for the summer 2020 Summer Olympics, competing in the flyweight of 51 kg category and winning the bronze medal for India. Okay. Let us start the lesson. We are going to read and explain page number 129. There had to be one successful story if Indians were to survive in sports. And we have that story now. Enough has been said about this great warrior who conquered the world. This warrior is none other than Mary Magte Kom, the conqueror and the comrade. She is famed as a 5 times world boxing champion and the only boxer to win a medal in every one of the 6 world championships. In the 2012 Olympics, she became the first Indian woman boxer to qualify and win a bronze medal in the 51 kg flyweight category of boxing. Okay. Now she is the lady, as the paragraph starts, there had to be one successful story. What does it mean? Now the Indians had not got any of the medals in Olympic till now, and she started with this successful story of getting the Olympic for the Indians in the boxing. Okay. Especially in boxings we had not got any of the medals. So for women's boxing she got the bronze medal, and that made value and prestigious thing for India. Now Kom was born in Kanthai village, Moirang Lamkhe in Churachandpur district of rural Manipur in the eastern India. See, it's a very rural area in the Manipur where she was born. She came from a poor family. Her parents Mangti Tompa Kom and Mangti Akhem Kom were tenant farmers. Tenant farmers means they were farming in other farmers' land. They were tenant farmers who worked in zoom fields. Zoom farming is the farming shifting cultivation. That means one area the land is cultivated, then they move on to another area for cultivating the land. Kom grew up in humble surroundings, helping her parents with farm related works. going to school and learning athletics initially and later boxing simultaneously. Her father was a keen wrestler in his younger age. See, she got this talent basically from her father. Father was a very good wrestler and was interested in the match of wrestling. She had an eager interest in athletics since childhood, and the success of Dinko Singh, a fellow Manipuri, returned from the 1998 Bangkok Asian Games with a gold medal. Now, a Manipur residing person, his name was Dinko Singh. He had won in 1998 Bangkok Asian Games a gold medal. Now, Kom recollects has inspired many youngsters in Manipur to try boxing, and she had thought of giving it a try. So she was motivated because of this and she became interested towards the athletic sports. Mary Kom's career started in 2000. After her victory in the Manipur State Women's Boxing Championship, see, the matches are held at the district level, then the state level, and then the country level, and then international level. So at the state level of Manipur boxing for women's, she became a champion, and the regional championship in West Bengal in 2001. She started competing in international games. Okay, till 2000 she was competing for the country itself. Now we move on to page number 130. Now, she was only 18 years old when she made her international debut. Debut means first public appearance or performance at the international level at the first AIBA Women's World Boxing Championship in United States, winning a silver medal in the 48 kg weight category. Her greatness is reinforced by the way she apologized to the whole nation for not being able to win the gold. She is a legend for sure, and an ideal for all the sportswomen to look up to. See how great she was. Reinforced means strengthened, and legend means one who makes a history. Really, she was worth making a history as she was a winner of silver medal in the 48 kg category in World's Women's Boxing Championship in United States. Okay. Now here we are going to see one of the interview she has given. An interview. In an exclusive interview with Sports Keda correspondent Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparation for the Olympics and her elation, that is the great joy as a winner at winning a medal. Okay. Now, interviewer says, first things first, you are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sunk in? Sunk in means, are you able to realize it? Is that thing affected you? Are you really able to absorb that thing that this has happened with me? I have won a medal at Olympics. Mary Kom replied, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. Sometimes we are not able to believe so many achievements if we get. So she was not able to believe really that she has got such kind of achievement. I am just so exhilarated. That means very much thrilled, very much excited because of the success which she has got. Okay. Interviewer asked, you were the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? See, she was the only female who was representing India in the boxing. So the interviewers asked her that whether that was an additional pressure on her. Sometimes the things become different when only one female is representing the Indian boxing. Mary Kom said, "No, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew." See how confident she was. Interviewer, your coach, Charles Atkinson, was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? See, her coach was Charles Atkinson, and during the Olympic Games, she was not allowed to be along with the coach. The coach was not to be allowed in the middle of the games or where she was supposed to go for the Olympics. Whether that had affected her, because the coach is always motivating and finding out the error and making the mistakes clear of the sports person. Every sports person who is playing at a higher level, he has to have one coach, so that coach is guiding it. So the interviewer asked her that if the guidance of the coach was not there, was it a kind of a problem for you? Were you not able to prepare anything? Now Mary Kom says, well, I did miss him there, but thankfully we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. See, if we are very well prepared, then no need to have the tension. So she was not having the tension at that time. She had well prepared. Homework means she had already done the drill work in India itself, and all the practice had been done in a perfect manner. Now interviewer asked her, during your preparation for the Olympics, you spared with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partners? See, for the sake of practice, she had to do the practice with the help of other male partners, as there was no other female in that group. So the interviewer asked her who was the favorite person with whom she would like to have the boxing. Sparring means motions of boxing during the training without landing actually the blows, just a kind of a practice. Now Mary Kom replied with a laugh, well, I trained hard in Pune and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. See, she knew many of the boxers who were there in the Olympics with her, but to particularly name one, it would be unfair, as according to her. The interviewer replies that you were quoted saying Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? See, there was one event in which one of the boxer who was playing opposite to her from another country, there was some unfair game. Because of it, in the semi-final she lost. Mary Kom replied, yes, I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. Interviewer says, India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we were a nation of 1:3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? As far as India is concerned, very few of the Indians have got the Olympic medals. When the question was asked by the interviewer to Mary Kom regarding what reforms can be made which will improve the ratio of population to the medals winning rate of the country. Mary Kom replies, I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career. If we want more gold medals, more corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Very important hint she gives here. She says that many of the people should come forward who can sponsor the sportsmen and the good players so that there will be no pressure on the financial pressure will not be there on the sports player, and they will play with all their dedication, and maybe India will get more of the medals in the future if this strategy is utilized. What do you mean by corporates? Companies or industries now sponsor organizations that pay or aid sportsmen or a sport event. They are called as the sponsor. Okay, inshallah we'll continue next time. Jazakallah.